In this video I will explain you how to import Lightroom presets in the Lightroom mobile app. Before we can do that, we have to go to the Lightroom app for desktops. It's kind of complicated nowadays because there are so many different Lightroom versions. For the desktop you have basically two possibilities. You have Lightroom Classic CC, that's what I still prefer to use because it has more options. Then you have this version, this is basically the Lightroom app for desktops. And in the end you also have the Lightroom mobile app. So it is not possible to import presets in the Lightroom mobile app right away. You have to do it in this version in the Lightroom app in your desktop, and the next thing is to synchronize everything with this version and your mobile app. To synchronize everything you need a subscription for Adobe, so that's one important thing to know. So how can we import presets in the Lightroom app for desktops? When you have a photo here on the right side, you can go to all the develop settings, and at the bottom you can go to presets. You already have a few pre-configured presets that are from Adobe, but when you click those little dots it is possible to import presets. And of course we need presets to import. So what I did is, in my website I have a free pack you can download also. You can go to rawstephoto.com, go to giveaways and to free Lightroom presets, and in the thank you page you have two options, two download buttons. Make sure you pick the XMP presets. When you download the XMP presets you have a packed file, you have to unpack it. So open it with WinRAR. It is a free software you can use. Select all the presets, extract to another location. Well, in this case I extracted to the folder downloads. So in the downloads folder we have all individual files. I go back to the Lightroom desktop app. I click the three dots again, click import presets and go to my downloads folder, and here you can see all the presets. So what we can do now, we can select 1, 2 or 3, whatever you want. I think I will select all of them right away and I click import. It will make sure the presets are loaded, and as you can see Lightroom puts it in a folder, and here I have all the presets. Since this is a cloud-based version, on the right top you can already see an icon of a cloud, and there is a circle moving, which basically means it's synchronizing. So right now it is synchronizing already the presets, and let's go to my mobile phone, to my iPhone, to see if the presets are available in the Lightroom mobile app. So I'm in the Lightroom mobile app right now. I open a photo, so I have my develop settings at the bottom, and when you go all the way to the right, and the third icon from the right, it is called presets. So that's where we want to go. By default it opens the pre-configured presets of Lightroom mobile, but when I push here color I see raw photo day and night, and that folder includes 21 presets. So as you can see the presets are already synchronized. So when I go there I can see all my presets. One thing to mention, and that's kind of important, is you can see that the font size varies. That's not an issue, that's just to make sure that the whole name of the preset fits in the screen. But you can also see like those two, portrait cool and portrait warm. That basically means that in the presets settings are used that are available in Lightroom Classic CC, but not in the Lightroom app or in the Lightroom mobile app. So those presets you can use it, but you cannot use them in the full potential. So it is possible that the results are not so great. On the other hand, most of them really work well, and you can see you can apply them very easily. So that's the way to get your Lightroom presets in the mobile app.